Welcome to Lornas.Cookin. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be making Zatarain's red beans and rice. Now I've never made red beans and rice from a box before. I usually make it from scratch, but someone made this suggestion and I decided to get some Zatarains and try it to see what it's like because I did do the Zatarain's Jambalaya mix. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. The great thing, it's just 2 ingredients. It's meat and the box mix. So I'm going to try this recipe and I'll let you know what I think. According to the directions, you can use sausage, chicken, or ham, but I'm going to use smoked sausage. Browning the sausage helps with the flavor and also it helps render out some of the fat that's in the sausage. According to the directions, I'm supposed to put the water in, the rice mix, and let's see. And now it says 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil, but because of the oil that I have rendered out from the sausage, I'm not going to add any extra oil. Okay, and I already have my meat that's in the pan. I'm mixing up everything and then I'm going to bring it to a boil. This is what it looks like after 25 minutes of cooking. I did stir it twice just to make sure that it wasn't sticking on the bottom. Now I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes with no fire underneath the pan, and then I'll come back and let you know what I think. Here's my taste test and review of Zatarain's red beans and rice. Okay, not bad. I can taste the spices that are usually used in red beans and rice. Now the rice seems a little bit gummy, but it's not bad. It's just I can tell the texture is a little bit gummier than I'm used to. Another thing that I noticed is that the ratio of beans and rice, as you can kind of see in the bowl, is a lot more rice than beans. It does seem more like a rice dish than red beans and rice. It's not spicy at all, and that's good because some people don't like spicy food. Another thing about the spices, this happens to be a little bit saltier than I would usually make it if I were making it from scratch. Now I did have my husband to try it. He liked it. He really liked the level of salt in the seasoning. So it's a difference between how salty you like your dishes. It only took about 25 minutes to cook. It's an easy and quick way to have red beans and rice without going through all of the prep and all of the cutting and all of the soaking of the beans. It actually tastes pretty good. Now, does it taste as good as scratch? No, not in my opinion. But I want you to try it. Tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments. If you want that red beans and rice taste and you want it quickly, you might want to try this. So that's my taste test and my review of red beans and rice from Zatarain's. I do hope you try it and let me know what you think. Take care.